All right, so we are going to learn about how to schedule a shipment. Now that you've entered your order and it's ready to ship out, you're going to go to this is under sales orders, so you're in a sales order here, and you're going to go to reports, and you're going to print the pick ticket and um, and then download the print ticket, and I already have it here. What I do is I have a special folder in my desktop that has pick tickets, bill of ladings, receipts, and those kind of things for shipping. I'll probably rename it shipping. But anyway, so I've already created it. I created the pick ticket, and you save it so you have that on file. And then you go to whoever the preferred shipper. Most of our items ship through Central. I would say probably about 80%, but we also use XPO and Blue Grace unless the customer has specified a different carrier. So anyway, that's what best way means. If they don't specify something, we're going to find somebody and we're going to ship it the best way that we have available. So anyway, in this case, we're going to send it to Central. So Central here, we're going to go down here and start shipment. And let me open that. So we're going to start a shipment. And so here's the pig ticket. And most of our customers are already in the system. So we're going to create a bill of lading. And because we have our own account, we're going to enter our account number unless the customer specified something else. And generally, our customers all have we already have them in the system. But so this one is for Elk County, and I just want to make sure 850, uh, 850 Washington, right? St. Mary's, PA. Okay. And then since this is shipping out of Pennsylvania, we know that this is Pennsylvania. We'll go ahead and put it here. Pinpoint, and the zip code is 15425. So Connellsville, Pennsylvania, right? And this is going to be prepaid, so we're going to pay for it first and bill the customer. And we're also going to schedule a pickup at the same time. And since it's 4th of July weekend, we will schedule this for that next Tuesday. And depending on the warehouse, they have different times. But this one, I generally just put 10 to 3 o'clock. And this is all going on one pallet. Um, and then I put in what kind of, it's 12 gauge by 14 galvanized, right? So just copy and paste that. Right, and then the class for Pinpoint orders is 50, and we need to put in a weight, which you can find on the pig ticket. The weight is right here, 10,046 pounds. So I'll add another, 20 pounds, 10,066. And then after that, we hit submit. Everything looks good. Everything looks good. Okay. Submit. Oh, unit type. It's a pallet. I missed that. Pallet. Not pail. Pallet. And then we hit submit. And then it says, thank you. View and print your bill of lading, which has to go with the orders. So we're gonna download this again back to the pick ticket file that I have, my shipping file, and I will just put BOL. And then it's gonna pop up here. And so then what I'll do is I need to send that to the warehouse so that they know that this is being scheduled. So I'll hit new email, and since the warehouse contacts are Janet and Dave for Connellsville or Pennsylvania, so Janet and Dave. Oh, there you go. And new order Elk County pick up 7-6. County 7-6. Have a great weekend. And I will attach all the documents, the bill of lading and the pick ticket. And if there's shipping labels, I'll also add that there. So there you go. Send it to that warehouse, and then you will, and then it'll get picked up on Tuesday. Also, if you want to know like shipping contacts, we've got it here in a file, and the shipping contacts would be in the Pinpoint wire, and right on the first page there should be one that says shipping. Shipping or warehouse. Oh, it might be here in the training folder, sorry. Here it is, customer info, warehouse information right there. And I have this printed and right next door, but this will have all your contacts and the people and shipping times and their addresses all on there. So that's where you find the warehouse information and who to send shipping notices for new orders. Anyway, there you go. Hope you learned a lot. Thanks.